Okay guys, so I'm back with a video. So I just had a data structures and algorithms lab. It's a concept in computer science and it's really interesting. I don't want to go into the details. So I just finished it 30 minutes early. So I just came back to my hostel and I was just thinking what to do. So I just thought of, making a video. So in this video, I didn't have anything specific to say. So I thought of, continuing the campus series. I'm currently sitting in hostel 14 of IIT Bombay. And it's a hostel for the postgraduate students, that is those who are here for MTech or PhD or Masters, or basically their studies after their undergraduation. I currently stay in hostel 4, which is a mixed hostel. Like most of the people there are currently doing their BTech or BSc, but there are certain postgraduate students as well. But in this hostel, there are specifically only postgraduate students. I'll just show you some of the best things around here. This is the 6th floor of Hostel 14 and this is considered by me the best and the most beautiful place in the campus because the view from this place is just awesome. You can view the entire Hiranandani and Powai Lake, and it's a place in Mumbai and it's really beautiful. So that's why I come around here quite a lot. Like I visit here every 1 or 2 weeks and it really soothes me out, and having conversation with a friend and all that, like I really enjoy it. This was it. I'll make more videos on the campus. Like there are a lot many places. Like this lake can be viewed from at least 4 different places in the campus. There's one in H14, there's one in H12, there's one in H14, there's one place in Boat House, and like lots and lots of that. Okay, my hostel isn't that great, but it's nice. And the best part about it is that it forces me to stay out of the room. Like my room is quite small, so it just forces me out that I have to stay out. So I just go to the library or CS building or whatever, and sometimes I come here and study or whatever. Like the best part about the campus is that you can be very dynamic. You can go wherever you want to. Many of you students would be having your KVPY exam on 4th of November. So if you are watching it, so all the best for it. And do let me know your results on Instagram and all that. So this was it. And if you're interested in more pics of the campus, then you can follow me on Instagram. I post many pictures of the campus there. And so this was it. Bye.